RBI has, in the post-market hours yesterday, ordered IIFL Finances to stop sanctioning and disbursing gold loans, citing, and I quote, material supervisory concerns observed in its gold loan portfolio. Now, what is the central bank alleging? RBI in a statement noted that violations were there in the maximum allowed loan to value ratio. Those were found, and that one, IIFL also finance exceeded the permitted cash collections limit. Second, it has failed to adhere to the standard auction process, and thirdly, it has lacked transparency in the fees charged by the company. And as of the December quarter, IIFL's finances gold loan book that stood at about 24,692 crore, making up nearly 31% of its total loan portfolio. So it's quite evidently a big blow for the company, and that was also evident from the stock price movement. Today the stock crashed 20% and was stuck in the lower circuit right from the word go. And Amit, coming to you, two questions here. Can you help us quantify the impact of this bank? I mean, a ballpark figure of what to expect as far as the potential downside for the stock is concerned. And second, is IIFL's loss a boon for other gold loan financiers such as Muthoot and Manappuram?
See, we don't cover IIFL, but obviously I, read the news and did some numbers initially. So it's in the short term, it's a major setback for IIFL. The gold loans are almost 32% of its AUM mix, and apart from that, they were doing a large proportion of co-lending also with few of the NBFCs in the gold loan segment. The good thing is, if I have to pick a silver lining, then these are process related lapses and not corporate governance related lapses. So the company can actually work with the regulator to rectify the observations in the gold loan portfolio. What usually happens is, the gold weighing process, or how you measure golds, that's a manual process. So there is always a difference between how you value the gold loans and how you put it as LTV, the value for that. So given that there is a little clarity right now on the duration for which this ban would remain, it is difficult to quantify the exact impact. Obviously, on the paper of it, given that it's a 32% AUM, that's also reflected in the stock price today. But the one positive thing is that RBI has allowed IIFL Finance to actually service the existing clients. There is no impact on that, so that the usual collection and the recovery process will continue. And these observations were given to the company on 18 January, and we are sitting on 5th of March. So already, the company had almost like 45 days to go through the observations and start, carrying out inspections and start taking precautions on their operational measures. So I would still say that, there would be some time before the ban is lifted, but it is also a possibility that these are not material supervisory concerns in the IIFL's gold loan portfolio. Obviously, if there is a ban, then it would impact the companies which do the gold loan. So whether it is Manappuram or Muthoot Finance, or even something like a microcap like a Capri Global also, who is very big on gold loans, they would benefit in the short term till the ban is lifted. But right now there is no clarity when the ban would be lifted. It could take anywhere between 3 to 6 months.